Motion of objects can be presented in pictorial form with the help of distance-time graph. For this purpose, first draw a horizontal line to represent the x-axis and a vertical line to represent the y-axis and mark them as OX and OY. Measure time along the x-axis and distance along the y-axis. Mark values for the time and the distance on the respective axes. Now plot the points on the graph paper, each pointer presenting a specific combination of distance and time values. Join all the points on the graph to get a linear distance-time graph, which shows that the vehicle is moving at a constant speed. From this graph, we can calculate the distance covered by vehicle at a particular moment. We can calculate the time at a particular distance from the starting point. In the same way, we can calculate speed also.